Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to get snapper entries on all your trading opportunities. So whether you're trading USD, GBP, USD, whatever the currency is, I'll be showing you one of my best ways to do this. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also if you do enjoy this content, don't forget to smash that like button. Let's get it going in 2024. Let's go to the chart. So guys, today I'll be showing you the best ways to get snapper entries on your trades. Okay, so I'm just going to open a new chart for you quickly. So you're just going to get right into it, not wasting any time. Okay, so let me just put it properly. Okay, all right, so what you do, the best way to get snapper entries is to go to a lower time frame, of course. So the big time frames are basically for obviously where it's going, so that will take you a long time. So the best way to do this is to ensure that, so the first thing you need to ensure is that you find your levels, strong levels. So let's look for strong levels. Okay, on H1, just put these strong levels. Okay, right. Okay, so make sure, what I mean by strong levels, they've touched at least, I usually make 3 times, you can make 2 times. Okay, at least 3 times. So it touched here, as you can see, and this was a touch although it went out, but yeah, so you don't want to count this, it's fine. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we know in the third one we are entering. So you can, is this really up to you? So what you'd want to look at is simple, guys. What you want to look at is your candlesticks. Okay, so depending on the direction where you're trading. So this is a buy, of course. So we'd like to look at candlesticks that are showing that we're going on uptrend. So engulfing candles are one of the best ones you can use. Okay, so we're gonna go right into this one. So we're gonna identify the parts. So let's first do the step by step. Okay, so if you're a beginner, so you may be asking, how do I know it's an uptrend? The best way to do it, simple, how to do it is simply put a moving average, I'd say 200. Okay, it really depends on you. Okay, so normally you can, yeah, so this one, just as long as it's above this, you know it's going up. Okay, all right. So but for finding your direction, always go for H4. That's my #1 rule if you want to find these levels where you're gonna do the snapper entries. So let's look at H4. So you can see these are all buys. So every time here we know we're buying, okay, before it was sell. So everything here is buy. So from H4 we know this is all buys. If we look here, right, everything here is buy. And then now we can go, as we said, on the lower time frame. So let's take this out. So if we finish with this one. Okay, with this moving average, it was just showing us that direction. Okay, so the first one, you look at where the direction is going. So I'll look at H4 normally for these now snapper entries. Okay, so you know the direction is going up. Okay, now we identify the levels, as I said. Okay, so you look at H1 normally for that. Depending on what you trade, if you're trading, you want to trade M30, then obviously look at H1. But if you're going to trade M15, I'll suggest look at these levels on H30. Okay, so for example, I did this one. So I did this one, for example. Okay, let's go right into this one. So on this level, suppose it was here. Let's look here, for example. It should be an engulfing candle because it's the third one. Okay, even if you entered here, it's still the same. Okay, so let's go to M30. So let me just put this here. this is also, yeah. So if we zoom in, let's zoom in. So as you can see here, it was engulfing and it's right on this level. So, you know, this is red. Green is already engulfing it. But this was probably the news. So you'd have checked it before the news came in. You put your entry here, your stop loss obviously below, depending on what risk you're taking. Okay, so remember guys, we don't just enter, so wait for the candle. So this one was first red. It engulfed it because the green was bigger than the red. And this one was way bigger. So you'd have put your entries over here. For example, entered here, and then I'll take profit here. Simple as that. Okay, so you can look at another one again. Okay, so here's another one. So I'll just show you what happened before and what could happen again. So how many times did this one hit? 1, 2, 3. I said you can either do 2, right? You can say 1, 2, and then this is your look for your sniper entry. So remember, the candlestick has to align. If it hasn't aligned, you cannot enter. Just doesn't mean just because it hit 2 times it's going to go up. It could really go down, but it's just saying it's a strong level. Okay, so that's your first step. Identify your levels, and then after that you go right into it. So I'll do 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So you know around here it's going to go up, of which it did, of course. All right, so again you zoom in here. Okay, you identify, is there a candlestick engulfing? No, there wasn't, so I couldn't have entered. So I'll wait for this level again, of which it did hit. Look at this candle. It literally did like a sort of hammer, although it's not really hammer. So it's either you look for a hammer candlestick or you look for an engulfing candle. So engulfing is when you have a candlestick like this. So this one is, for example, if it's going up, this will, okay, let me duplicate this first. Okay, so it was going down. We have this one, red, and then we have green bigger than the red, meaning it's changing the direction, so it's going up. So either look for this or you look for a hammer stick. So a hammer stick, something like this, pushing down, and have something like this. Oh, okay. So this will be red. Okay, so it just means the buyers are coming in. Okay, it's pushing up. Okay, so just similar to this, like it's a big candlestick pushing down. So you, until it closes, guys, then you enter. That's simple, that's it. Okay, so simple as that. That's how we get sniper entries. Okay, yeah, there's another one. Let's look at another example. We'll just go to maybe USDJPY. Let's look for sniper entries. Okay, right. Okay, so remember, where is it going? So if you don't know, we look at your moving average. So it doesn't matter the color. So you know it's already starting to push up, meaning it's going up. Okay, doesn't mean it will go up, it just means it's on an upward trend. Okay, so remember, we're doing probabilities, guys. Okay, this is what I always teach my students. Just because it's looking at downtrend doesn't mean it's going to be selling, or it's a probability. Everything else depends on what you do after. So this is what I'm showing you. So we know it's going, this level should be going up. Probability is saying it's going up. So I'll leave this here. Okay, so I'll put, yeah. Okay, and then you can take this out because you already know it wants to go up. Okay, and then you go down. What do? We find the strong levels. What levels have been hit twice? So 1, 2, 3. So okay, and then you look for another one again. So 1, 2, 3. So this was a nice upper entry. So if you had entered this, you'd have made money. Okay, so because it did, for example, 1, 2, 3, although it doesn't really matter here, but here it did as a gain. Okay, so if you did 2, 1, 2, and then entry, go. Remember, you go look at your candlestick on the next time frame. Okay, did it do a candlestick? Boom, it definitely did. So it did another thing. So it kind of did the hammer, but this candlestick, which is like, it means like half, meaning the buyers and the sellers are fighting, meaning it's, like it's about to turn. Usually it's about to turn, okay, because it's not balanced, like balance between the two. But and then the green one started pushing up after there was a sort of hammerish candlestick, and then there was this candlestick which is kind of indecisive, and then this one was looking at engulfing it above. Okay, so this is what I take as an uptrend. So you could already start entering here, do your buys here, and then take your TP to this level. Yeah, so it was likely pushed up to there and then maybe pushed down. Yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. But simple, guys. That's how you identify sniper entries, guys. And yeah, if you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. I'm more than happy to answer any questions with regard to this topic. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be bringing more Forex trading videos, and I've been obviously getting more requests and stuff. And also, if you do want to join my free Telegram group where I give signals, a lot of signals and guidance and stuff like that, you are free to join. Okay, I'll put the link in the description. You are welcome to join. Okay, so we just be getting signals. Everything I do, you follow, and yeah, it's a signal group I started currently to uplift and show people how to make money. I've been doing it since 2020, if you check my videos before, but I've been focusing more on just mentoring other people and just other businesses too. But yeah, with this, you're free to join the group and see the proof that we are winning. Our win rate is quite good because this is empowerment. And yeah, other than that, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. I'll be bringing more of these bangers and more videos. Do give me suggestions of the videos down below, and I'll bring out more videos. All right, guys, see you in my next video, guys. Stay safe. Let's make money. 2024 is a way to change the year to change your life. Cheers.